These are the elevators at the Living Arts Center, Mississauga, Ontario. Started going down. These are Dovers from 1997 that were modded. I don't know who modded these, but this one on the right. It's a neat call station. Here it is. Okay. P2. Serve cab view. It's a nice looking elevator.
Parking level 2 going up.
Okay, 3. Stopping.
Ground floor going up.
Hello.
This is a nice elevator.
Third floor.
Have a good day. Numbers on this trip. Go into the G and then we'll walk to the library.
Parking level 2 going up. Going
You
up.
heading up? Okay. This is a really nice elevator. Stopping in P1.
Parking level 1 going up.
Oh, you're going up?
Going up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry, guys.
No, it's fine.
How's you guys' day going?
Good. Yeah.
Good.
This is our first time here, actually.
Amazing, nice.
Mm-hmm.